Today's my topic is rank correlation. My dear students, already you are familiar with correlation and the lines of regression. In this video, I would like to explain in detail about the rank of a correlation. In the first part, you should know what do you mean by the rank of a correlation. The rank of a correlation is a statistical method used to measure the degree of association between any two variables. Actually, this method was developed by the British psychologist Charles Edward Spearman in the year 1904. That's why this method is also called as Spearman's rank correlation. In the second part, you should know what is the formula to find the rank of a correlation. Suppose x and y are the marks scored in the two subjects. Let Rx and Ry are the ranks. Di equals Rx minus Ry be the differences of the ranks. Then the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient will be calculated by the following formula. That is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation over I equals 1 to n di square upon n cube minus n, where rho is called the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, di is the differences of the ranks, n is the number of observations or the number of items. Here the rank correlation coefficient rho will always lies between -1 and +1. When rho equals -1 indicate a perfect negative association between ranks. That means the ranks are in opposite direction. When rho equals +1 indicates a perfect positive association between ranks. That means the ranks are in same direction. When rho equals 0 indicates there is no association between the ranks. That means the ranks are uncorrelated. Now I would like to explain how to find the rank of a correlation for the given data by considering one simple example. Now let us consider this first example. The scores for 9 students in physics and mathematics are as follows. Here in the first row you have physics marks. In the second row you have mathematics for different students. In this problem, you have to compute the ranks of students in the two subjects and also compute the Spearman's rank correlation. That means in this problem, first we need to find rank of each student in these two subjects separately and then compute the Spearman's rank correlation. Here, to compute the rank correlation coefficient, let us consider the appropriate formula. That is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation over I equals 1 to n di square upon n cube minus n. In this formula we need summation di square and n. Accordingly construct the appropriate table. So in this table, in the first two columns we consider physics and mathematics marks that is given the problem itself. Now let us assign the variable x for physics and the variable y for the mathematics. Based on this, you have to compute Rx and Ry. Rx denotes the rank of students in physics. Ry denotes the rank of student in mathematics. Now you should know how to assign the rank for each student. That is purely based on the marks. So in physics, which is the highest marks? 47. For that particular student, you should assign the rank as 1. The second highest marks is here 43. For that student, you should assign the rank as 2. Here the third highest marks is 35. For that student, you should assign the rank as 3. And so on. Similarly, in mathematics also. In mathematics, the highest marks is 49. For that particular student, you should assign the rank as 1. The second highest mark is 45. For that student, you should assign the rank as 2. The third highest marks is 33. For that student, you should assign the rank as 3 and so on. Now let us compute D. Here D is given by Rx minus Ry. With the help of Rx and Ry, easily we can compute D. Now we should find D for each and every student. For the first student, D is 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. For the second student, 5 minus 3, that is plus 2. For third student, 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Next, 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 8, minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Now let us compute the entries of D square with the help of D. By squaring this, we get the corresponding D square. Here D is minus 2. D square is minus 2 whole square, that is 4. Similarly, here also 2 square is 4. Minus 1 whole square is 1. 0 square is 0. Minus 1 whole square is 1. 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. 0 square is 0. 0 square is 0. Now let us compute summation di square. Here I takes the value from I equals 1 to 9 because here n is equal to 9. If we expand this summation, we get d1 square plus d2 square plus d3 square, etc. We have to d9 square. That means for summation of di square, you have to consider the sum of all these values, that is equal to 12. Now let us substitute all these in standard Spearman correlation coefficient formula. That is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation or I equals 1 to n di square upon n cube minus n. Now let us substitute for summation di square and then we get rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into 12 divided by 9 cube minus 9. If simplify this, we get rho is equal to 1 minus 72 by 720. If simplify again, we get rho is equal to 1 minus 0.1, that is equal to rho is 0.9. See, in this problem, this rho equals 0.9 is very close to plus 1. That indicates here we have a perfect positive association between these ranks. That means the ranks are in the same direction. Is it clear? I hope you understand this. Thank you.